Alright, Monday night we got plates and patches and TriStar Signa Cuts Football Edition. One card in there and I think 7 in here. So what we're gonna do is we'll save that one for the end. Hopefully we get the 101. Who's the big hit in this one? Jim Thorpe. Fantastic find. If not, I'm hoping for a Hall of Famer. But first, let's get it started with plates and patches. Box number 871. And closed. Here we go. Thanks again to everybody who bid on it. And save the big hit that's on top for the end. Good luck. If I can get it out. Move it right there. Get this little box out of there. Empty. So here we go. Card number 1 for the Detroit Lions, Nate Burleson. That one's numbered 446 out of 499. Card 2, Benjamin Watson for the Cleveland Browns, numbered 32 out of 100. For the Carolina Panthers, D'Angelo Williams, honors, numbered 274 out of 299. Drew Brees for the New Orleans Saints, number 3,003 out of 499. Next card looked alright. Rob Gronkowski. Oh, no, Chris Gronkowski for the Dallas Cowboys. Numbered 331 out of 499. We've got a redemption. It says Infinity Silver Signatures, card number 187. I'm gonna have to check that after, so I don't reveal the big hit. So I'll put it right there for now. Got Darren Sproles, Chargers card, just a piece of the jersey there. Numbered 65 out of 130. Nice hit for this Chargers there. And a Chris Johnson Tennessee Titans card at the end. 325 out of 499. So, I'll reveal the big hit here. Looks, here we go. And a redemption. 2 redemptions. This one's in a case though. RPS Rookie Signatures number 212. So let's see what we got. RPS Rookie Signatures 212. Emmanuel Sanders for the Pittsburgh Steelers. So I'm not sure what that's numbered out of, but let's check this other one. Infinity Silver Signatures. If we can find that in here. Card number 187. It doesn't say anything about Infinity Silver Signatures, so card number 187 is Sean Weatherspoon. So I think that's Dallas, but I don't know. I'll have to double check, and I'll do a recap in the bonus video. So there you go, 2 redemptions for your hits. And here we go. TriStar Signature 2011 Football Edition. Let's see what's in there. Dick Anderson, 1 out of 1. So, we got a 101. Dick Anderson, let's see what he's got in here. Anderson, award winner, that's all he is. Alright, so it looks like it's an old football card. And they chopped it in half and made it into Signa Cuts 101. 1973 Defensive Player of the Year, 2-time Super Bowl champ. Who did he play for? I have no idea. So, got some figuring out to do for the bonus video here. Dick Anderson, 101. And we got a couple other redemptions here to figure out too. So, I'll get this all wrapped up and I'll be right back with the bonus video.